This sleek streamliner is called the Aerotrain. It was made by General Motors in 1956. The Aerotrain featured a suspension system based on compressed air rather than metal springs. My grandpa says the Aerotrain looks like a 1956 DeSoto, whatever that is. Streamliners helped the railroads for a while, but after World War II, airplanes and cars emerged as the way most people traveled. Luxurious passenger trains just faded away.
Well, I'm riding